So I come back into the office today and the toilet's overflowing in the floor again. Beautiful. And this has happened twice so far in a week. Now, I've certainly tried to fix this the right way a time or two, but obviously that was a waste of my darn time. To start off with, the toilet float valve. I've changed this thing twice. Both times the dirt, sediment, whatever's in my water seems to jam it open and the float will not shut off. Therefore, the water just runs constantly in the toilet. Once it reaches the overflow, it just keeps going. Normally not a problem other than for your well, but the way the septic tank works here is via lift station, as in there is a reservoir in the ground near my building where the toilet drains to. And then when that reservoir is full, a float switch floats up and engages the sump pump to pump poop up a hill into my septic tank near my house. And all of that worked out great until the float switch starts getting hung up on duty. And then, you know, that's a real unfortunate issue. I don't want to dig that up again. I'm sick of doing it. I've already done it once, twice. I don't know, maybe I pushed one of them out of my mind, but it doesn't turn itself on anymore. Therefore, that fills up, and then my damn toilet overflows in my favorite building. I've got two problems to solve here. Need to make a toilet cut itself off because I'm not replacing the float valve again because I'm petty. And we need to make sure that that motherfucker trucker there turns on when it needs to and doesn't fill up so that I don't have piss water in my building ever again. I'm sick of it. Now let's segue to the solution.
Hello, and welcome to the ultimate notification of your toilet. Are you tired of constantly adjusting those pesky float valves? Or worse, constantly having to manually turn on and off the water supply to your toilet? Well, my friends, those days are over. With a little bit of electronics wizardry, we can transform our humble thrones into smart toilets that take care of all the dirty work for us. First, we'll start by installing a moisture sensor at the top of the toilet bowl reservoir. This little guy will act as our eyes and ears, detecting when the water level drops and sends a signal to our trusty Arduino. Next, we'll set up a servo to control the water valve to our toilet. When the moisture sensor detects that the water level has dropped, the servo will open the valve and let the water flow. When the water level returns to normal, the servo will shut the valve off. No more fiddling with those pesky manual valves. But that's not all. We'll also set up a relay to control the lift station pump. Every time the moisture sensor detects that the water level has dropped, the relay will turn on the pump for 1 minute to help refill the toilet bowl. With these simple upgrades, our toilets will be as smart as we are. So sit back, relax, and let your toilet do all the work for you.
What the fuck?
Happy flushing. Okay, bye.
I'm sure you can all see the fruits of my labor. After countless hours of tinkering and tweaking, I finally perfected my pooper. A toilet and lift station controlled by Arduino-based electronics. It's been quite the experience. Probably harder than just fixing the toilet and the lift station itself, but hey, I didn't have to dig up duty tank. Now here's the part where I craftily work in a like and subscribe segment, or a call to action. But I ain't got time for that nonsense. I've been holding this in all day. Cut the tape.